Welcome to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Congratulations! This is the final unit in Smart Phonics 1. I know we still have review 2, but we almost finished it. Now, I have lots of energy to teach you now. For that, we're going to use a new book. First, what we're going to learn is W, X, Y, Z, W, X, Y, Z. W, watch. Watch begins with the W sound. X, box. Box ends with the X sound. Ends means we have a beginning and an end. End is last. End. Because in X, most people, when they write a phonics book, most people at the end of the X sound, we have lots of words that end with X. Like ox that we learn in letter O. Y, y. This is a yacht. Y. This is a yacht. Yacht. Yacht begins with the Y sound. Zebra. Zebra begins with the Z sound. Now I'm going to teach you how to write it. W, capital W, lowercase w. Now you need to know what capital and lowercase means. This is the last unit. Now capital X, lowercase x. Capital Y, lowercase y. Capital Z, lowercase z. Now W. This is like a watch, so W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Great! Just turn the page. Watch. We have more words that begins with the letter that belongs to. Window begins with W. Watermelon begins with W. Most people eat watermelon in summer. X in the end. Fox. Fox. 6. This is an X sound on X. It's really hard, right? And so you have Y. Yacht. Yo-yo. Yellow, the color yellow. Z. This is a zebra. Zoo. Zero. Nothing. It's 0. Look at match. Okay. Yellow begins with Y, so there's a line there. And where's another word that begins with Y? Yacht. What's a watermelon? Watch. 6. This ends with X sound. And box ends with X sound. Zebra. Z. 0. Zebra begins with C sounds, and 0 is the same word as zebra. They both begins with C sound. Let's in a circle. I'm going to say the word, and you're going to circle what I said. Letter that start. But this will be a little tricky. Example number 1. Box. Box begins with B sound. But we don't have B. No, you shouldn't be confused. Yeah, we have to circle X, Y. It ends with X. We're learning ending. The word ends. Okay? So, you need to remember it forever. Keep it in your head, okay? Number 2. Yellow. There. Yellow begins with Y. Number 3. Zero begins with Z, right? Yes. Number 4. Watermelon. What the watermelon begins with? Watermelon begins with W. Yes. Number 5. Zebra. What do zebra begins with? Zebra begins with Z. Number 6. Yo-yo. What do yo-yo begins with? Yo-yo begins with Y. Great. Now, turn to page. We have a story. Let's read. Wait first. I-N-S-C. I see a watch. The watch is in the box. I see a yo-yo. The yo-yo is in the box. I see a fox. The fox is in the watermelon. It's eating it. I love watermelon really much. Do you like watermelon? Yes, I love it, but it grows only in summer. That's the problem. But it's really delicious to eat watermelon in summer. In summer it's hot, but now it's fall. I'm teaching you guys 2009 to fall this Smart Phonics 1. Now W. That's right. W. 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 What? W. 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 What? X. 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 Y, yacht. Now let's write 5 times. Z, zebra. Z, 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 z. Z is like a 2, right? Yes. Z, 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 z. Now next time we're going to learn Review 2. MNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Those 14 letters. Thank you for watching Henry's Show Unit 8, the final unit. Please subscribe Henry's Show and click thumbs up, please. Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time.